The information on this video is still as relevant today as when it was actually recorded a few years ago. Hi everyone, it's Al. Today's job, go look at outside taps. Here's mine. Do you get a leak at the top of yours when you turn it on? I know I do, and it's an easy problem to solve. It usually comes out of here. We call it the packing gland. You can see where the water's pouring out of mine. I'm going to show you how to repair this little small leak. An easy job for anyone to do. Okay, well, there's no need to turn the water off. Okay, there's no need at all. All you need here is a little adjustable spanner like this one. Just get a cheap one and get it on the gland nut there, like so, and turn anti-clockwise like so. Okay, just keep turning. No need to turn the water off, by the way. Just leave the tap shut off and turn this out, okay, until it's loose and can move up and down in there. All we're going to do is repack the gland, what we call repacking the gland. Sometimes you can be lucky and it will just tighten a little bit, and that will do it for you as well, just by tightening it instead of even undoing it and packing it. This is very easy to do. All you need now is a bit of PTFE tape, and I'll show you how much to pull off. Right, if you'd just like to pull off about 4 to 5 inches, okay, just that amount there, and snap it and just roll it together like this. Okay, make it like a piece of string. That's all we got to do. Make a little bit of string, and now we're going to pop this in the tap. Unfortunately, I've only one hand free today. My assistant cameraman is not here today, but I'll show you how it can go. Just wind it around the spindle there, like so. You can see it there. Okay, get it under that nut. And wind it round inside the nut there. You can see it around the spindle. Keep winding it round until it's all there, like so. Okay, and just push it into the tap now. Let's push it down into the tap. And to help you with this, I usually get a little screwdriver. I've got this little electric jobby here, and so I'm using one hand, a bit awkward, and just poke it down. You see that? Just poke the bit of PTFE down the tape, down the tap, down the tap. Okay, keep it pushing in, and make sure it's all firmly in. And don't drop the screwdriver. That's because I'm not left-handed. There we are. Poke it right down. Okay, once it's down there, just do your nut back up. Okay. Now, when you do the nut up, don't go too tight with it, because it'll affect how stiff the actual turning operation of the tap is. So just go so it doesn't leak, basically. Keep turning it, it'll feel like a new one. When you had a new one and it was first on there, they're kind of a bit stiff. Well, have it like that and you won't get no water come out. If you do get any water coming out there, give it another little tighten. I've got none there now. I can feel that it's dead right, and that won't leak now. Okay, that's a little tip from me. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and catch me again, Darren33, all my videos. Thank you.